Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see about day 5 curves and waves. In drawing, a curve is a smooth continuous line or shape that bends without sharp angles. It can be open or closed and does not follow a straight path. As shown in video, you can practice basic curve towards right side, left side, upward and downward, and try to practice in all directions. Next we are going to see about waves. So waves are the elements in the drawing and design, especially when representing motion, flow and natural form. Waves typically have repeating oscillating patterns that rise and fall. In basic drawing, waves are often used to represent motion, fluidity and repetitive patterns. Curves and waves are both essential elements in the drawing and design, especially when representing motion, flow and natural forms. And that's it for now. Do practice regularly and happy drawing. See you on next video. Until it's bye from NK's Art World.